When you're grinding down plaster, caked in 10 years of toxic mold, it pays to keep your mind on the job. With the new generation of best-in-class Nilfisk ATTIX dust extractors, you get higher performance, increased productivity, and lower maintenance costs. And their unique InfiniClean system means the filter is automatically cleaned every 15 seconds. No need to stop working to clean the filter, no need to take my mind off the job. And with safety features like dual filtration, I know I'm covered. The new generation of Nilfisk ATTIX dust extractors. It does the job, so I can do mine. Find out more at nilfisk.com.